Today we're in South Haven. The colors are starting to change and it's getting a little cooler outside. Let's see what fall festivities South Haven has to offer. While strolling through downtown, I found a shop that really spoke to my heart. Decadent Dogs, a novelty dog lover's boutique. They have everything your pooch could need, and then some. I found holiday ornaments with my pups' names. Otis and Luna are going to love these, but they'll probably love the bakery treats even more. With colder temps on the way, our next stop takes us inside to Rocket Arcade with Rocket Ralph.
Part of my mission is, or Rocket Arcade's mission, is to show the next generation of gamers where it all began. You know, how it started and why it is what it is. And so I think of it more as an interactive museum. It's really, these are authentic games from the 70s, 80s, and 90s, and you can play them. They're all simple. They're like 3 buttons, 2-button games, you know, and I think that's what's great about these games for kids. You can just go up to it, start playing it, and learn it. If you don't like it with free play, you just move on to the next game and try something else.
Also downtown, I found 42N Naturals, handmade bath and body products by the lake. The majority of products are made right here in-house, which you can watch from the viewable workspace. All of the scents were amazing, but if you're looking for something signature, check out the fragrance bar. You can even make your own terrarium. To me, a perfect fall day includes a trip to the farm, which brings us to Bumbleberry Farms.
Well, we have a lot of different things going on at the farm here, but if you really want to get the full experience here, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we have our wagon tour running. Take you out to our U-Pick, where you can pick your own pumpkins, gourds, and edible squash. And then we have several wildflower patches, so they're also available during the fall. And then we can bring you back up to the front where you can go in the store and get all your goodies. And we have that bakery going every single day. And then we also have our corn maze. And then we also have our miniature petting zoo. All of our animals are miniature farm animals. And then, our apple cider. That is like a #1 thing here. In the summer, we're known for our lemon blueberry cookies, but in the fall, we're known for our pumpkin pies, our apple pies, and we do regular apple cider and then caramel apple ciders.
Our last stop of the day is Cogdal Vineyards, home to their signature wines and the Little Man Winery, all of which are processed by hand. The beautiful tasting room and patio complemented the wine perfectly. Nana's Kiss was my favorite. It's the rosé. Highly recommended. Live music fills the vineyards every Sunday. To plan your next South Haven adventure, visit southhaven.org.